Sports and Tourism, Mr. Sripad Babu, after our focus on nautical tourism, we have been sharing our ideas. And nautical tourism and cruise tourism, one initiative they have taken along with Sonawalji was organizing a first incredible India cruise tourism conference. त्या कॉन्फरन्साक आनी आमी जेन्ना गेल्ले वी हॅड लॉट ऑफ शेअरिंग ऑफ आयडियाज आनी तातूंतल्यान आज आमी एमपीटीन आयिल्ले टू अंडरस्टँड हाव वी कॅन थिंक अबाउट गेटिंग दीस वर्टिकल रायट इम्पॉर्टंट आसा की गोंयचे टुरिजम वेरियस सेक्टरान वाडयतले आनी क्वॉलिटी टुरिजम पळयतले इकॉनॉमी वाडयतले वी नीड टू हॅव अ होलसम अप्रोच expectations of locals from employment, expectations of tourism from revenue to the state, lot of things need to be spoken about. So we had a preliminary meeting under Sripad Babu's chairing the meeting to understand where we are, what we are, and how we can take things ahead. In terms of the cruise terminals, what are the challenges, what we need to do, and how we need to do. So it's everybody needs to be sitting together and maybe doing some brainstorming sessions. की जशी क्रूज टर्मिनल एक्सपांड जाता जाल्यार वी शूड बी एबल टू गिव अ प्रॉपर रोड मॅप सो पोर्ट ऑफ ओरिजीन आसलो जाल्यार कितें एडवांटेज आसता कितें हें आसा हाव इट कॅन बूस्ट टुरिजम लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स नीड टू बी सीन अबाउट सो एक प्रिलिमिनरी मीटिंग टू अंडरस्टँड वॉट एमपीटी इज गोइंग टू डू हाव दे आर गोइंग अहेड अँड हाव इट इज इन दिस पर्टिक्युलर पॉइंट इज वॉट वी हॅड कम टुडे टू रिव्यू श्रीपाद भाऊ आज जे केला आय थिंक इट्स अ गुड इनिशिएटिव्ह फ्रॉम श्रीपाद भाऊ साईड टू हॅव इनिशिएटेड अ पार्ट विच नीडेड अ लॉट ऑफ थॉट खुबशे गजाल्यो in terms of tourism we need to think very inclusive approach keeping in mind everything and every stakeholder of the state. Sir, domestic and tourism को वापरून things which can complement are being seen but from Sagarmala point of view I think ports will be able to give more matter on that.
Ropeway project भी नाही येवपाचे ropeway project भी plan केल्लो.
Concepts खूब असतात शेवटी you need to have a concept which can sell and with the right tourists coming in. So ropeways जावं ports जावं cruise tourism जावं आयडियाज असतात when we keep talking to every stakeholder अशें न्ही की सगळ्याकडे जातले काय न जातले we need to see what is low hanging we need to see what can be done fast 5 वर्साच्या काळात टुरिजम कशें इम्प्रोवायज करपाक जाय आनी ताजे खातीर आमी कितें करचें पडटा इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वी हॅव बीन मिटींग एवरीबडी श्रीपाद भाऊ मिनिस्टर ऑफ टुरिजम आनी पोर्ट आशिल्ल्यान and he has been giving able support from the center through his office in terms of tourism tours, in terms of various schemes. It becomes better की पोर्टाचे आणि टुरिजमाचे एक आशिल्ल्यान we need to see how best we can get Goa as a place what we are looking for in terms of tourism as a proper destination.